Howdy y'all, welcome to the Dirt Road Grocery Store. I got a tip for you today on how to handle gamey meat. We have here some grass-fed ground beef. Now grass-fed ground beef, when they make the ground beef, they have, in this instance, have ground in the fat from the grass-fed ground beef. It not having been fed out on corn like you would get in grocery store bought meat. The issue with that is, depending on what that cow's been eating, your beef fat will be like deer fat. And of course, we don't eat deer fat. We don't eat deer fat because it's gamey. We trim all that stuff out. In this instance, it's been ground in, and it makes it gamey. I've had some of this stuff. Shoo-wee! I couldn't eat it. So I had to figure out a way, because we're not going to throw it out, of course. Food shortages and whatnot was going on when we bought it. I had to figure out a way to make it palatable. And the combination I came up with was three things. We got the Worcester, we got the Rooster, and we got the pickle pepper. Now, two of these are hot sauces. And so in order to make them agreeable to your whole family, from way on down to way on up, you're going to have to moderate the amount of hot sauce you use or cook it. You see, the thing that makes this stuff gamey is fatty tissue, lipids, fats. And the thing that makes hot sauce hot is oil. So if you cook it down, you cook the hot out and you cook the gamey out at the same time. And this having vinegar and red pepper will cover up that gamey taste. This has Worcester sauce, among the other things in it, and a hot sauce. And it masks the gamey flavor. And of course, masking off taste is the whole reason the Worcestershires, whoever they was, came up with the Worcestershire sauce. So you'll use maybe a tablespoon, teaspoon, depending on how much you're going to use and how much heat you can stand. I'm apt to use more than that and cook longer. Today we're making chili. Not we, I'm the only one in here. Today we're going to make chili, to give you a quick chili recipe. There's going to be a little heat in this one because, well, I like hot chili. We're going to have some fresh garlic. We'll put it in an onion. This is a little over a pound of gamey cow. I don't like dark red kidney beans, so I don't use them. We have some light red kidney beans, and only one can. Apparently there was a shortage at the store. We've got some cannellini beans, which are white kidney beans. I do not put pinto beans in chili because pinto beans are disgusting. I don't eat them. We have got some tomato sauce. That's another factor in your gamey meat, or any tough cut of meat you want to break down. You use acid. And then, of course, some fire roasted diced peppers. I will put this meat in, cook it down. Well, I will drain all the fluids off, get as much of that gamey fat out, season it, and then I will cook it down with the onion, some fire roasted, some tomato paste, and cook it down for a couple hours like that. I often cook chili meat, not often. Sometimes I cook chili with just chunks of meat, so I cook it way down. You don't want to put your garlic in till the end because the flavor of garlic comes from oils, and if you cook them too long, there went your flavor. Most of your seasoning needs to be done at the end. So this is a basic chili recipe in a way to cover the gamey taste of gamey meat if you've got something that wasn't prepared very well or was made the way it's made on purpose that comes out gamey for some reason. There's one ingredient missing. It's adobo sauce with the chipotle peppers in it. I'm hoping there's some in the refrigerator because I didn't find it in the cupboard. And that's how you handle gamey meat and an easy chili recipe. Well, I got to get it going because it's going to cook all evening, afternoon and evening, until it's time to eat. Well, that's the Dirt Road Grocery Store. Y'all take care.